Every prepper needs a solid checklist to ensure they're ready for anything. In this video, we're going through the ultimate prepper's checklist with essential steps to prepare for every situation. First, focus on water. Store enough for each family member, at least 1 gallon per person per day for 3 days. Also, invest in a portable water filter or purification tablets for emergencies when clean water is scarce. Next, build a food supply. Stock non-perishable items like canned goods, rice, and freeze-dried meals that can last for months or even years. Rotate your supply regularly to ensure freshness. For shelter, pack essential tools like a tarp, rope, and emergency blankets in your bug-out bag. These can provide protection if you need to evacuate or shelter in place. Don't forget about medical supplies. Build a first aid kit with bandages, antiseptics, and any personal medications. A well-stocked first aid kit can be life-saving in a crisis. Finally, develop a communication plan. Know how to stay in touch with loved ones during an emergency and have backup power sources like solar chargers for your devices. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared for whatever life throws your way. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.